Bites and Bites, computer rentals and snack cafes. Services offer computer rentals, play games and services. Enjoy our sweets and drinks. You can also buy our discount card and earn points. Yes, sir, ito po yung mga ano namin, mga product namin sa house. Ay, wala po yung meron pa yan. Eh, naman. Ano, Jimmy, sa kami ba? Kasi ito naman, sir, yung sa computer rentals. 50 pesos 1 hour, 40 pesos 3 hours, slash earn 10 points in the discount card for every 3 hours on computer rent. Plus 5 pesos for download. Plus 10 pesos for rental of laptop, flash drive, card reader, and plus 10 pesos for the comfortable snack cafe. 75 pesos for every drink. 35 pesos for every cupcakes and brownies. You can also use your discount code to buy at Dark Snacks. Estimated gastos. Internet cafe and other equipment, 150,000. Snack cafe and other equipment, around 50,000. Ito yung location namin, sir. Ito yung rules and regulations.
Hoy, hoy, hoy!
Students who are country members are strictly not allowed, prohibited, and not welcome to enter and use any of their
Iklian lang daw, Benes.
except when he or she is permitted by his Do not name your things and attendance, especially valuable items except huwag tayong taka, huwag tayo mag-iwan ng kung ano-ano mahalagang bagay. Standbyers are not welcome here. Kung natapay ka lang, huwag ka dito bayad kung may enter shop. Cleanliness is next to bandolers. Do not throw your waste anywhere. Hindi kami mukhang masarap. Observe your time when you use the computer and be sure that you have enough money to pay for your alcoholic beverages and cigarettes are not allowed. We do not allow alcoholic beverages and cigarettes to the premises. Warning, the whole area of this establishment is monitored by surveillance cameras to look for anything stupid. Comments, feedbacks, and suggestions, email us at bites@gmail. Yung Gmail po namin, totoo po yan, meron po kami. Pwede niyong Bites and B, pero wala na yung ano. Meron yan. Ayan na,